Welcome students in our St. Xavier's online classes. Students, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for the notification of new videos. Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new chapter which is algebraic expression. In this chapter we will understand about the algebraic expression, which is very important chapter in this class and future classes also. Okay, so before starting this chapter, first we understand some important terms which are very important for this chapter. The first term is constant. What is the constant? The fixed numerical values. The fixed numerical values is called कांस्टेंट. ऐसी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज जो फिक्स्ड होती हैं, जिनको चेंज नहीं किया जा सकता है, डेट इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट. से हियर द एग्जांपल्स. 5 मींस 5, इट डजंट चेंज. ये कहीं भी होता है, 5 का मतलब 5 ही है, ठीक है. एंड -1/2, 0.7, दे आर फिक्स्ड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज वेरिएबल. द सिंबल्स whose values different, whose value differ, जिनकी वैल्यू चेंज होती रहती है, जिनकी वैल्यू क्या होगी, चेंज होती रहती है, that is called variables. Okay, now third is algebraic expression, which is also the name of chapter, algebraic expression. When we combine constant and variables, when we write constant and variable combinedly, then it is formed an algebraic expression. See here, if we write 3 plus x, 3 plus x, 3 is a constant and x is a variable. So when we write these two together with 4 fundamental operations, symbol of operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Using these 4 signs, when we combine constant and variables, it forms algebraic expression. Now further example, suppose we write 2x minus 7. It is also a algebraic expression, because in this 2 is 2 and 7 the constant and x is variable. Okay, now come on the fourth very important point, terms. What is the meaning of terms? See here, this is an algebraic expression. You know why? Because x, y are variables and 2, 3 and 2 are constant. So we are taking constant and variable together with the sign of plus minus here. Okay, that's why it is a algebraic expression. Now we are going to understand what are terms here. The sign plus minus, when the sign plus and minus separate the terms, that is 2x, then addition, 3y, then the sign of subtraction, then 2. Means these two signs separate this algebraic expression, plus and minus. The sign of plus and minus, when separate the algebraic expression, then these parts are called terms. This is first term, this is second, and this is third. So you can say that in this algebraic expression, there are 3 terms. There are 3 terms. First term, this is second, and this is third. Now tell me, students, how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? Tell me. Good, 4. How? See here, this is the subtraction sign, this is addition, and this is addition. So this part will be separate by this subtraction sign. This part also separated. and this is also and this also. So how many parts are there? 1 2 3 4. It means there are 4 terms. There are 4 terms. So how many terms are there in this algebraic expressions? 4. 1 2 3 4. I hope you understand about the terms. What is the meaning of terms here? Now fifth, very important, like and unlike terms. What is the meaning of like and unlike terms? Whenever two terms are given, 2 or 3 or 4, suppose two terms are given, 2x and minus 5x. See the literal factor of each term. What is the meaning of literal factor? Say here, the this is numerical factor. यहाँ पे ये numerical है, तो ये numerical factor, and the alphabets which we use in algebra or in algebraic expression, that is called literal coefficient or literal factor also here. So the literal factor in this algebraic expression is x. See here, and in this algebraic expression the literal factor is x. So when the literal factors of any two or more than two terms are same, listen me very carefully, the literal factor of two or more than two terms are same, then we can say that such type of terms are like terms. Such type of terms are like terms. क्लियर? जब आपके जो लिटरल फैक्टर्स होते हैं, जैसे यहाँ x है एंड हेयर इज आल्सो x, बोथ आर सेम. यहाँ भी अगर आप देखें तो x की पावर 1 है, यहाँ भी x की पावर 1 है. जो डिग्री है एक्सपोनेंट चैप्टर में वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ना इन एक्सपोनेंट चैप्टर व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ exponent, what is the degree of term. Okay, so say both are same, both the literal factor are same. It means these are like terms. Suppose we will write here y. We will write here y. Now see the literal factor. Here the literal factor is x, but here the literal factor is x y. It means they are not same. Now they are not same. So such type of terms are called unlike terms. Such type of terms are called unlike terms. Okay, now take another example. I am going to give you some terms. You identify the like terms. Okay, okay, now tell me the like term. There are 4 terms I have given, 1 2 3 4. Now tell me the like terms here. See it very carefully. Okay, now tell me the like terms. Yes, very good, Akshat. See, 2x and minus 7x, these two are like terms because here the literal coefficient is x, here the literal coefficient is x. Okay, so both are like terms. And minus 5x square and minus x square, both are like terms. Why? See here, the literal factor is x square, here is also literal factor is x square. तो दोनों क्या हो गया? like term. अब आप यहाँ देखिए, here the literal coefficient was x, here the literal coefficient was x square. अब आपको यहाँ ये नहीं सोचना अरे यहाँ भी x है यहाँ भी x है तो दोनों सेम हो जाएगा. नहीं, see the degree here, see the power here. Here the power is 1, here the power is 2. So they are not same. They are not same because the degree of both variables are not same. Okay, so that's why these two terms are not like terms. I hope आपको कोई confusion नहीं होगा. Okay, I hope understand. Okay, come on the next topic, very important topic, polynomials. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression with one or more variables, but listen me very carefully, Polynomial is an algebraic expression with one or more variables, but with the non-negative exponent. With the non-negative exponent. This point is very important. Say with the example. Say here, you know this is an algebraic expression, and here two variables are there, x and y. See the exponent. Here the exponent of x is 2, means plus 2. Here the exponent of y is 1, that is plus 1, means both are positive. Both are positive. Okay, so it is a polynomial also. इसको हम polynomial भी कह सकते हैं. But say this, it is also a algebraic expression. ये भी एक algebraic expression है, but it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because the variable x containing negative exponent. Containing negative exponent. Or I have told you that in polynomial the variable contains non-negative exponent. Non-negative exponent means in the polynomial, the exponent of variable should be a whole number. Should be a whole number, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. अगर algebraic expression में जो variables हैं उनकी power whole numbers हैं, then it is a polynomial. Otherwise it is not a polynomial. See here, if we write 23, suppose, you can say, sir, here no variable is there, but if we take x here, so we will take here the value of x will be 0. So 0 is a whole number, so it will be a polynomial. It will be a polynomial. Clear? Now see, two x on y. If we do the reciprocal of this y, we will have y raised to power -1. ये एक्सपोनेंट चैप्टर में आपने पढ़ा है. When we reciprocate any variable, any number, the sign will be changed. यहाँ पर ये +1 था तो ऊपर जाके क्या हो गया -1. तो see this algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. ये algebraic expression है, but the variable y containing negative power. The y variable is containing -1, which is not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. I hope आप समझ गए होंगे कि polynomial क्या होता है and what is the difference between polynomial and algebraic expression. Clear? Now we are going to understand types of polynomial. Very important terms are there. First is monomial. As the name is mono. Mono means one. So if any polynomial contain only one term, containing only one term, like 2x, only one term is there, so it is a monomial. It is a monomial. If we write -5y square, it also has a only one term, so we will tell that it is a monomial. Binomial, the term bi is there. Bi means two, like bicycle. Okay, so bi means two. Whenever a polynomial contain two terms, means 2x plus 5, say here two terms are there, so it is a binomial. Suppose we have 5y square plus 4x. Here we have also two terms, 1 and 2, so it is also a binomial. Clear? Third is trinomial. I hope you understand about the trinomial. Tri means 3, like tricycle. Okay, so tri means 3 होता है. So whenever a polynomial having 3 terms, means suppose 2x plus 5y minus 3, see here 1 term, 2 term and 3 term, so it is a trinomial. Minus 5x square plus 4x plus 6, it is also a trinomial because it has 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So it is a trinomial. I hope you understand what is polynomial, what is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay. One thing I want to share with you, a very important term is this: degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. How we find degree of a polynomial? So let's take an example. In this polynomial, tell me what type of polynomial is this? Yes, very good. Trinomial, because it has 3 terms. In this trinomial, you can say a polynomial, we have 3 variables x, y and z. See, the exponent of x here is 2, here the power of y is 1, here the power of z is 5. So tell me which variable having maximum power? Z, 5. How much? 5. It means in any polynomial the maximum power, the maximum exponent is called the degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial means the degree of this polynomial will be 5. The degree of this polynomial will be 5. Okay. One more thing. Suppose we have this algebraic expression. Tell me what is the degree of this polynomial. So I hope you will be confused that sir, the degree of this is 1. No. See here. Here the variable is y, the power will be 1. Here in this term there are 2 variables x and y, and both containing 1 power. Means x is also having 1 power and y is also having 1 power. Clear? So when we, because these 2 variables are in multiplication, so we will add the powers here. We will add the powers here. So for this term, the total power will be 2. The total power will be 2. So you can say, sir, the degree of this polynomial will be 2. Clear? मीन्स जब वेरिएबल अगर मल्टीप्लाई में लिखे हैं तो आप उनकी पावर्स को ऐड कर देंगे. क्लियर? ओके. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड पॉलिनोमियल, मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल एंड डिग्री ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. थैंक यू एवरीवन.